Yes, viewers, again, welcome back to Go Use Tech. Welcome back to Go Use Tech. Yeah, as we had already done our video on how we can insert um, a signature on our email, today we are going again to see how we can add an automatic reply to our Gmail address. For example, you might be at work and then you want to take up leave, but still people will continue texting you, hey, I need your help in your office. So what do you do in case you're out of office and you want to let these people that you're not out of office? Maybe let them try contacting somebody else. So what we're going to do, we are going to come again to our settings, then we come to see all settings. So here, when you reach here, you'll need to be careful because we shall just slope down after our signature. This is our signature, the one we just did. This is the signature. And then what we're going to do, we're going to slope down and then we come to vacation. This is vacation. So this is vacation responder. Currently, it's off, but I may put it on. So before you do anything, you have to put it on. And then the second thing to do, you need to put the date when this vacation should start. Today we are 3rd of November 2023. So I'm going to leave it at this time. And then we have the last day. When is your vacation ending? Is it a 2-day off? Is it 1 week off? Is it 1 month off? Or did you leave work? You got somewhere, some other work, and you're no longer using this email. So it's you now to let people know when you're out of office, when you're back to office. Okay. So my second option will be the subject. What is the title of your email? So I'm going to say maybe my title is going to be out of office. Then when you say out of office, your second part will now be now this is the body. You'll have to type a message that this reader will be able to read. Then I may be, your friend, thanks for reaching out to me. It's however, I'm out, I'm out, I'm out of office, and in case you needed my help, please reach out to DM on DM at gousetech.com. You can even put the number 2560. Yeah. Then you can send the supporting thanks. Thanks so much. You can even maybe let people when you're coming back. I will be back into office on 5th of November 2023. So this is a message that as soon as someone sends you a message, this message pops back to them within 0 seconds. So what you're going to do, your last step will be, you can only send the responses to people in your contact. So you can either tick this or don't tick it. Then we can save. You remember we turned it on. So let me go to my other email. I want to send an email. So when I come here on compose. Then I come to say info dot go use deck at gmail.com. Then I say just checking on you. Then I say hello friend, hope you're doing well. Then I send. The moment I send this message, the message, okay, the moment I send this message and I see that this message has been sent, let me just refresh my page. Just a second of refreshing. Let me see if it has reached this side. Also, this side, it hasn't reached here yet. Maybe in case I've made a mistake in the email address, I can restart it. Then I come back this side. Did I do any mistake in the email? Okay. Yeah, we're trying it out just small. Yeah, so now we can see that one email has been dropped in here. Yeah, we have one message from Go Use Deck, which is here. And it is just he was just checking on you. So when I come now to Go Use Deck, I still refresh. Yeah, so you can see it is under updates here. Once I click on the updates, you'll be able to see out of office, checking up on you. So this message has been sent automatically. Dear friend, thanks for reaching out to me. It's however I'm out of office, and in case you need my help, please reach out to me. Reach out to DMA at this number. So this is how best we can see this. You see, this is how best you can do this. So you can also try it out. And then on top here, you can see out of office, end vacation now, or vacation settings. You can even just click on the setting there, then you come to your vacation settings. And then you make sure that this box is clicked here, it is marked in blue, and then you can stop it in case the vacation ended. Or if it's still there, you can also add on the days on when to continue. So this is how best we can do it, please. Thanks so much for following, and we hope you continue following up Voice Tech for more videos. In case these videos are helping you guys, continue subscribing and like our videos. You can share to your friends because they may be hope to them. Thank you.